Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So in order to do this, first of all open Binance application on your mobile phone. Now after opening the application, you'll have to click on the wallets icon at the bottom right side of the screen. When you click on the icon, you'll see that you are in the overview tab. You'll have to click on the spot icon at the top, then search for Solana if you are not seeing that in the balances. Click on search and search for SOL. Now select Solana and you'll be on this page. Here you will see your Solana's spot balance and you will see the withdraw option just right here. Simply click on withdraw. Now choose your way of withdrawing your Solana. Then on this page, you'll have to basically enter your Phantom Wallet's address in these fields. So we'll navigate back to Phantom Wallet application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you'll have to simply select Solana, then select receive. After this, you will see QR code and an address at the bottom. Click on copy button, go back to Binance, paste the address you just copied from your Phantom Wallet in these fields and you'd be successfully able to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. You'll have to basically complete the payment process, that is the withdrawal process, by following the prompts shown in the next steps and you would have successfully transferred Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.